Orbital Welding for heat exchanger U-tubes. Are you still struggling with inconsistent weld quality, high rejection rates, or heavy dependence on highly skilled manual welders? In modern heat exchanger manufacturing, U-tube welding requires extreme precision. Every weld must deliver consistent penetration, perfect alignment, and repeatable quality, because even a small welding defect can affect the performance, safety, and lifespan of the entire heat exchanger system. This is why more manufacturers around the world are turning to automated orbital TIG welding technology. With an orbital welding machine, the welding arc rotates 360 degrees around the tube joint under precisely controlled parameters. The result is a stable, repeatable weld with minimal human variation, ensuring each U-tube joint meets the strict quality standards required by industries such as power generation, petrochemical processing, nuclear energy, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and high-purity industrial systems. At TATE, we specialize in developing advanced orbital welding solutions for heat exchanger U-tube fabrication. Our systems combine high-precision orbital weld heads, intelligent welding power supplies, and programmable control systems to deliver reliable and consistent weld results. Whether you're welding stainless steel tubes, alloy tubes, or high-purity piping, TATE orbital welding machines help manufacturers achieve highly consistent weld penetration, reduced operator skill dependency, faster production efficiency, cleaner welds with improved repeatability, stable quality across large heat exchanger tube bundles. Our equipment is designed for the demanding needs of heat exchanger manufacturers, tube fabricators, and industrial EPC contractors who require dependable automated welding solutions for large-scale production. With years of engineering experience and continuous innovation, TATE has become a trusted partner for companies seeking professional orbital welding machines and automated tube welding technology. If you are looking for a reliable orbital welding solution for heat exchanger U-tubes, you're in the right place. To learn more about our machines or discuss your specific welding application, please contact us using the information shown in this video. Our team will be happy to help you find the best solution for your production needs.